Hey, what's up everyone? This is Doug with Remax Orange Beach, your bald realtor. Hey, I'm here in Orange Beach on Canal Road at Captains Cove, right across from the Orange Beach High School, right down from the wharf, very close to the beach. This is a new listing of mine that's hitting the market today, 4626 Spinnaker Way. If you're looking to buy, or if you're an agent and you have a buyer, give me a call, text me, 251-747. I can set up a showing for you pretty easily. But this is a beautiful house. This house was completely redone 2 years ago, from the roof to the floors, countertops, cabinets. Beautiful. Check out the pictures. Click the link in the description below to see the MLS. But don't miss out on this beautiful house here in Captains Cove in Orange Beach on Canal.